Hi, welcome back to Easy Moto Tim, where I share tips to enhance your motorcycle travel experience. Today, I have a Garmin BaseCamp quick tip. Several people have asked me how to install the City Navigator maps on the computer so that BaseCamp can use them without plugging in the Garmin device. Let's take a look at how to do that with Garmin Express. Okay, I have plugged in my Zumo 665 to my computer and I've started Garmin Express. This is the home screen. I'll click on my device, which brings up this screen. Now the tendency is probably to just click on Install All. There are 3 updates, and that will put them on your device. But the clue is to go over here where it says View Details, which brings up the details of the 3 packages that are available to install. You can then install them one at a time or just the ones you want. Now here's the next clue where it says Installation Options. Click on that. That expands the screen, and here is where you get the choice of where you want to install. The default is device only, but you can put it on both your device and your computer, or just on the computer for BaseCamp to use. I usually install it both on the device and the computer at one time. So I've select that, and then you click Install, and it will go off and do it. And you know it takes a while to update these new packages, so I just get it running and go do something else. So that's all there is to it. That's how you install the maps for BaseCamp on your computer. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this Garmin BaseCamp quick update. If you want to support the channel, please check out my Amazon pages on my website. And I'll see you in the next video.